What is going on, guys? Mr. Parisi here, and today we're going to be going over the deposits homework. So, to start, here's number 15. It says, Jess Norton stopped at an ATM location to deposit two $100 bills. I'm going to underline that. And checks for $4.74 and 85 cents and $3.21 and 15 cents. And he received $50 in cash. So we got a few different things in there. You take it piece by piece. So the first thing says deposited two $100 bills. So I'm going to just notate that as 2 times 100. Okay, this is my cash over here. And then I'm going to keep track of my checks right here. Okay, so for the cash, that's just a total of $200. For my checks, I've got $4.74 and 85 cents, as well as $3.21 and 15 cents. So in total, for checks, plug that into my calculator really quick. That is a total of $796 in checks. So combine cash and checks. 200 plus 796 is going to get me $996. Now that is my deposit. That's what's going into the bank. But we're not done there, because this is a big concept right here. Is if you receive cash, or another word for that would be withdrawal. Okay? If you withdraw $50 in cash, that means that money's not going into your account. It's coming out. So my account's not going to go up by that full $996. I would have to subtract $50 from it, which would mean my total deposit comes down to $946. So that would be my final answer there. This brings us to number 17. It says Cindy Weiner deposits 3 checks for $4.25 and 22 cents, $883.99, and $57.05. She also deposits cash of 45 $1 bills, 15 $5 bills, 12 $10 bills, and the change includes 28 quarters, 16 dimes, 19 nickels, 65 pennies, and would like to receive $60 in cash. Okay, again, we're going to take this thing piece by piece. Start up here with the checks. So my checks, I've got 3 of them. I'll keep track of those in this column. So 425, 22, 883, 99, and 5705. So for my checks, let's add those up really quick. Toss those into the calculator. And it comes out to $1,366.26. That's total for the checks. Now for the cash, there's quite a bit here to keep track of, so just take your time as you're going through. 45 $1 bills. Now you might already know that that's $45, but I'll write it like that. So 45 $1 bills. Then I had 15 $5 bills. Okay. So 15 times 5 is $75 there. Then I had 12 $10 bills, which comes out to $120. And then we continue with 28 quarters. Quarters being represented by 0.25. Okay, that comes out to $7. 16 dimes, which are represented by 0.10, is $1.60. Make sure I get my decimal point in there. I'm going to continue over here on the right. I've got my 19 nickels. 0.05 for nickels is going to be 95 cents. And last but not least, I have my 65 pennies, which would be 0.01. That's going to be 0.65. Okay, let's add up all my cash. I'll separate that from my checks. So I've got 45 plus 75 plus 120 plus 7 plus $1.60 plus 95 cents and plus 65 cents. So when all that gets totaled into my calculator, it comes out to a total for the cash of $250.20. So far I've got my checks right there, my cash right there. I'm going to move this out a little bit. So that would be my deposit. So in total, $1366.26 plus 250.20 is going to get me plus 250.20, $1,616.46. But again, are we done? Let's look back at that question. However, you need to highlight this, star this, whatever you got to do, underline it. Received $60 in cash. Less cash received is just a withdrawal. Okay, it means it comes out of the bank. So minus $60, which is going to now change my total deposit. It's going to come down ever so slightly, and my now final answer is going to be $1,556.46. And that is the final answer there. Boom. Okay. Remember that, less cash received. I'm going to write that as our big note. I'm just going to put a minus in parentheses because that is taken out of the deposit. So if you weren't able to finish your homework, please follow along with this video. Take the notes, missing problems that you weren't able to do, and resubmit it on your Google Classroom post. Thank you so much and have a great day.